everyone! Welcome back to. Today we're delving into the world of affiliate marketing, and we'll be focusing on Digistore24, a platform that connects vendors and affiliates to help you earn money online. If you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand your strategies, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation for affiliates and vendors. Vendors get exposure and affiliates earn commissions. Step 1. Registering on Digistore24 is a breeze and it's free. We'll guide you through the process. Step 2. Once you're in, it's time to select a product to promote. We'll show you how to find the right product in the Digistore24 marketplace, considering factors like niche, commission rates, and more. Step 3. Promoting the product is where the magic happens. We'll explore how to use the unique promo links provided by Digistore24 and leverage the marketing materials offered by vendors. Step 4. The best part, earning those commissions. We'll explain how Digistore24 automatically tracks your sales and ensures you get paid. Plus, you could earn up to a whopping 70% commission. Don't stop there. We'll also touch on how you can expand your affiliate network by inviting others to join Digistore24 and promote products, a great way to boost your earnings. That's a wrap for our guide on getting started with affiliate marketing on Digistore24. It's a fantastic way to earn money online, and we hope this video helps you kickstart your journey. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video.